As a forex beginners traders, this is one of the problems that people face: lack of capital. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get free money to start your forex trading account. And guess what? You can be able to withdraw from this free money. It is withdrawable. Have you ever heard about Profem account? In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a free 5k Profem account, funded account that you can get to withdraw from. All you have to do is to watch this video till the very end. And also, if you know that you are not a forex trader, or you are not interested in forex trading, but you are interested in making money online in 2025, all you have to do is to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and make sure that you watch this video to the very end, because I will be directing you to where you are going to get to start making money online in 2025 every day, even if the money is too small. All right. So without wasting too much of our time today, let's dive into what we have. So now, in order for you to get to this interface, the first step you have to take is for you to go to the description of this video or the comment section. Once you get there, a link will be pinned in the description of this video and will also be pinned in the comment section. Once you click on the link, all you have to do is to subscribe to my Telegram channel, because in there we usually drop money making update, free profit account, free no deposit bonuses, and my audience has been withdrawing back to back. So if you know that you don't want to miss out on this free money making opportunity, all you have to do is to join. And also, when you join, you will have access to the link to get this free 5k profit account. So once you click on the link, you would have seen it there directly. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken to this interface. So once you get to this interface, the next thing for you to do is for you to start claiming your 5k profit account, which is what I'll be showing you right now. So make sure you pay attention and watch this video to the very end, because if you miss any step from this video, you will forfeit your chance of getting this free 5k profit account. And the reason why this video is available for you is for you to be able to get it. So be patient and pay attention. So once you get to this interface, as you can see this three line up here by the right side, click on the three line, click on login. And once you click on login, it will take you to this interface. All right, so because you are new to this interface, I will guide you through how you are going to use this interface to get your free 5k profit account. The next thing you have to do is to click on create one, since we are new to it. So once you get to this interface, to another interface like this, the next thing for you to do is for you to enter your name, your full name, your email, your password. Confirm your password by entering it again, and click on verify that you are a human. So once you are done with that, click on register. Let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So once you are done, it will bring out something at the top, which is save. So just click on save, so that once you get to this interface, your password and your email will automatically be filled into the right space. So now, what the next thing for you to do once you go to this interface is for you to enter your email, the email that you used to register and the password that you used to register, and come down below, click on verify you are a human, and once you are done, click on login. So let me just do mine and I will get back to you to show you what else you are to do. So now, as you can see, we have been logged into our account. So the next thing for you to do is for you to get rid of this interface. And as you can see, this is the payout, the total payout, the number of accounts, the account pass, the funded account. And as you can see, these accounts are zero zero balance. All right, they are zero balance, which means we have not been able to get any challenge, anything. So, and I also want you to know that in this channel, and I also want you to know that I will be showing you how you can join a competition account if you are interested. But that's not the reason why we are here. We are here for our 5k profit account, and it comes with a lot of packages that I know that you're interested, that you will be interested in, and I will be also explaining that to you guys. With a lot of packages, you can be able to get 25k profit accounts. You can be able to get 100k profit account for free, and I will be explaining how. All you have to do is to watch this video to the very end. So now, to proceed, the next thing for you to do is for you to scroll down, click on this window right here, click on this window, and as you can see, this is it over here. Let me just familiarize you with what you are supposed to know. This is the withdrawal space. This is the withdrawal space over here, which shows that you can truly withdraw from this place. You know, they wouldn't put it there if it's not available. So it shows that it is true. So now, the next thing for you to do in order for you to get your free 5k profit account is for you to click on aqua points. Click on aqua points, and as you can see, no tax available, no tax available. So just wait for it to load. Just wait for it to load. I will show you the things that you are supposed to do. All right, I will show you the things that you are supposed to do. I'll familiarize you with it. So let me show you your reward. These are the tasks that you'll be doing in order for you to get your 10k profit account. You can be able to get 10k profit account. You can be able to get 25k profit account, and they are profit account. They are not competition, right? And this is it. And this is a 50k profit account. This is a, let me show you one more. This is a 100k profit account. You can be able to get all of these. This is a 50k profit account. This is a 25k. This is a 10k profit account, and this is the one that we want to claim, a 5k profit account, a 2.5k profit account. So if you know that you are interested, watch this video to the very end, and I will be showing you how you can get it. So now these are the reward that comes after fulfilling the task. So now let me show you how you can fulfill the task and get the reward. So click on task in order for you to fulfill the task. And as you can see it over here, these are the tasks that you have to fulfill. Retweet, comment, like, and aqua funded pin post on Twitter, you get 30 points. So the amount of points that you get will determine the kind of reward that you'll be getting. So let me show you the point that you need in order for you to get those profit accounts. So click on reward, and as you can see, as for the 10k profit account, it goes with 700 points and you have 0 points. I'll be showing you how you can get the 700 points. So make sure you pay attention over here. Make sure you pay attention so that you'll be able to get this 5k profit account or even more. All right, so this is 700 points for 10k, for 25k 1000 points, for 50k 1400 points, for let me show you, for 100k 2000 points. If you know that you don't want to stress yourself a lot, you can just go for the 5k. So let's just go straight to the 5k. So for the 5k profit account, this is it, 700 points, and if it is for the 2.5k, this is 500 points. So now, without wasting too much of our time, let's go and check how we can be able to get the point. So the next thing for you to do is for you to go to tax. You will be performing some certain tasks in order for you to get the points. All right, so as you can see, in order for you to get 30 points, all you have to do is to do what you are supposed to do here, read it, which is for you to retweet, comment, like the aqua funded pin post on Twitter. So once you do that and you upload the screenshot, you get 30 points, and so on and so on. This is 20, this is 40, this is 40, right? This is 40 again, this is 250. So once you're done, you can be able to get up to 1000. You can be able to get up to any amount that you can get. All right, so once you're done with all of these, once you're done, your point will increase here, your point will increase here, your point will increase here. And once your point has increased, you just have to come here, click on reward, and go straight to the one that you want. So if you want a 5k one, you just click on it and you'll be able to get it for free. Your login credentials will be here, and you'll be able to log in on your MT5 trader app for you to start trading. So now that's it about this 5k profit account. That's how you can be able to get it. So now let me show you, for those of you that are interested in competition, free competition account, let me show you how you can get that. So now, for those of you interested in competition accounts that you can be able to participate in and go home with a lot of cash prizes, I will be showing you how you can get it right now. So the next thing for you to do is for you to click on this window by the left side, window icon by the left side beside the rewards. Just click on it. Once you click on it, as you can see, this is it over here, competitions. So just click on it, and once you click on it, these are the cash prizes that will be given to the winners. All right, so let's go first. The first place, we get $200,000 instant funded pro account. You get it without having to go through some points. All right, so this is it over here. The second place, we get 100,000 instant funded pro account. The third one, we get 50,000 instant pro account, so and so on and so on. So it reach 10th place. If you are able to be among the 10th position, you'll be able to get your reward for free. All right, so to register now and to participate in this competition account is for free, and if you really have luck, you will be able to get it because the participants are not so much, and it ends in 11 days. So make sure that once you are done watching this video, you'll go get it. All right, so now in order for you to get it, just click on view tournaments. Click on view tournament, and as you can see, this is it over here. This is it over here. So let me show you the rules and regulation you have to obey in order for you to be able to get this competition account, and in order for you to be able to withdraw from it. So click on rules. So this is the rules. This is the rules. These are the rules that you have to understand about this competitions account. You can easily come back here and check it again. All right, so the next thing for you to do in order for you to join is to click on join icon. Click on join icon, and these are the ranking position. These are the people that are already ranking the 10th position. So if you want to be out of them, you can also still participate. All right, just believe, guys, believe you can do this. All right, so click on join. So this is all that you have to know about it. In order for you to know more details, or you want to talk to me personally, all you have to do is to drop a comment in the comment section. I want to know the first person, the third person, and the last person to watch this video. I want to see you guys dropping and burning the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Enjoy your treat. Stay tuned for more.